Hey guys, today I have something nice for you guys. I have a rescue vehicle which is an ambulance, and supposedly it has some lights which can turn on and a sound. So let's check it out and unpack it. So this toy can be some favorite with kids. This is actually a Polish ambulance. R stands for reanimation. That means resuscitation. Okay, so in fact, well, this is the vehicle, the ambulance, which is sent to the most ill, or the guys, let's say, with the highest risk for dying. All right, and this vehicle usually has a specialized doctor on board who's an anesthetist. So let's check it out. Okay. Alright, służby ratunkowe in Polish means rescue services, so 112. So this is a nice educational tool. I think a kid will nicely remember that, well, this is the number to call in an emergency, to call for an ambulance. So, well, there are 3 such vehicles. This is the first one in the series, the ambulance, but there's also a fire truck and also a police van. So 112, that's the number, rescue number in the EU. Okay, let's go on. And in this case we don't have anything to unscrew. Nice. So it's easy to unpack. You can see, obviously made in China. All right, so a Polish ambulance which is made in China, and the doors should open. Let's check them out. Okay. Well, the interior, I wouldn't say is that very detailed. It's just a seat and a steering wheel. No details on there on the dash. But let's check out the lights. Do they work or not? Okay. So as you can see, there is a slight small button on the top of the ambulance, the black one. So this is what I'm gonna press to try and make the sound and the lights shine on. Nice. Okay, so this can be a fun toy, especially that you can see the number is marked here. So if you want your kids to learn basically to call the rescue number, it's worthwhile to buy them this educational toy. Not only it makes a nice sound, but it looks like the real deal. So for me, when I was young, it was actually a dream thing to have a police vehicle or a fire truck or an ambulance with the lights and the sound. So this is like a dream come true, although I'm much older than a kid now. And let's try it on again. Oh, nice. Let me turn the lights off and see what happens. Right, we are now in the dark. Let's turn it on again. Oh, perfect. Alright, another thing I've learned about this toy, it's got actually a pullback mechanism, so let's check it out. Nice. Whoa, fast.